Time for a nice warm morning shower. Hey, wait a minute! What happened to the hot water? So I'm out in the garage right now, checking up on the water heater. I turn on the faucets and there aren't any hot water coming out of that either. Oh, that feels cold. You know what? This is a very old unit. I think about 17 years old. It came with the house. So this is like a 40 capacity. So what you want to do is locate the cover on the bottom, and I have a feeling the pilot light probably went up. Oh, yes, it did. I've never had this happen before. So today, Fast Water Heater is out here to remove my old water heater and replace it with a brand new one. So this is the water meter. Front yard. That's the shut-off valve. Now we're draining the water from the pipes. Right, so I was instructed to turn on the hot water while he was checking the water heater pressure to relieve the pressure. And now I have it set to the medium, alright, so we can drain the water from the house, so that way when we remove the old water here, water doesn't come splashing down. Now we're running a pipe to drain the water from the water heater. You hear the water in there? Yeah. Now we're running a pump to speed up the water removal process. Now we're removing the earthquake trap. And disassembling it. Alright, we have ducting and all these pipes disconnected. Next up is to basically remove this from the stand, and we're going to haul it away and put in the new one. So I learned this is the pressure relief valve. It's a safety device built in case if there's too much pressure, this automatically relieves itself. So you want to make sure this is open to the area and not blocked off. Now we're removing and putting it down. We're removing away the old one, recycling it. So we open up the new tank right here, 40 gallons, Rheem brand. Alright, so here's a brand new tank. Some energy guide information. Alright, let's go ahead and install this. Here's an example of a tankless one. This costs $6,000 to $7,000.
Yeah, that's
So here's my new tank in this box.
the vent.
Okay. So we have to connect all these. Just want to give you a look. You guys see how it is. So here is the anode rod, which comes with a 15-year warranty that I decided to get. It's made of magnesium. This supposedly prolongs the life of the water heater. Alright, so we're using some of these brass coupling because it's better to fight against rust and corrosion. And notice these pipes, you see how there's like plastic coating? Even though it's stainless steel, galvanized stainless steel, this helps to reduce the corrosion too. That makes sense. And it's also good that we're using plumber's tape to ensure it's leak free. Alright, so here we inserted the anode rod right here. And there's one already in here. This one is much shorter. Alright, we're just gonna have to manhandle it. Alright, we got it up. Make this expansion tank fit. So we're adjusting the water heater location. We're adjusting the clamp, make sure it doesn't fall out. Especially if there's like an earthquake or something. Attaching the pressure relief valves. The pressure relief. Now we turn back to the main water cycle, providing water to the house. And alright, we're now filling the tank with water. By the way, there's the new valve. This is the ball. safety valve. Visually checking for any leakage. Looks good. You guys hear that? That's the water because there's supply to it. Of course, we don't have hot water yet because we haven't connected the gas and turned on the water heater. That's the next step. Alright, we just connected the gas lines, redirected that, and then the pilot light is good. So now it's going to take about 30 or 45 minutes to heat up the water tank.
Instructions, phone number, job number.
So here's the brand new tank. The installation job is complete. Just have to confirm that I have hot water while that's spoiling. Takes about 35-40 minutes. Brand new relief tank right there. Brand new ball valve installed. Okay. Had adjusted the ducting. Okay, and of course installation of the anode rod. The additional anode rod. Okay. To strap on to prevent them falling out in case of earthquake. New gas piping, gas line. Okay. See, it's lit. Everything looks good. Rheem as a dependable brand. I think made in the USA. The installation job was good and complete. He explained pretty much everything. Good job. Whoa, that's a lot of comic books. Ask and you shall receive. Now it's time to take my shower. Finally, warm water. Yes, sir. That's just to drain out the old dirty water. Okay. Start the alarm. So that's normal because we're using cleaning out the old water. Okay. Checking up on my brand new water heater. And this is to show that, see the steady blues pilot light? See that? Yeah, I mean, that always remains on. And when it needs to fire up, you see the orange flames, a lot more flames to heat up the whole water tank. So here's the breakdown of the cost of the water heater replacement. First off, I want to give a quick shout out to Trevor for recommending Fast water heater to me. He actually used them and the prices are similar to what he stated. And taking a look at this bill, so I opted for the 15-year warranty plan. I just decided to go with the longest because I think that would help with homeowner insurance and to just extend the life of it without any troubles. So as you can see, 6 years warranty, those are the costs. All right, and here is a breakdown. All of their water heaters, I believe they use the Rheem brand. They have the tankless type, which is cost just way more. So I opted for the traditional 40-gallon water tank. So there's the breakdown of the price. And yes, you do need a permit, which they send you in a letter, and you later have to call the city for a quick inspection. It's pretty simple. That's the base cost of the water heater unit, and of course you need some additional installations such as removing the hardware such as the expansion tank or the hoses. Those are additional fees, and I got a little bit of discount. I believe you know anybody from the military or such. So overall it came out to a total of $2,828.62. Not too bad. I was hoping around like the $2,000 lower range, but the technician explained everything. Of course, I got the video to show the document, all the steps. In overall, it took about 3 hours. I believe they even offer free estimate if they come out and you decided to change your mind. So they offered free consultation, and everything worked pretty smoothly. I'm happy with the results. I have warm hot water to use now, and my old tank was 17 years. I have plenty use out of that, so hopefully this will last over 20 years. So yes, I do recommend fast water heater. In fact, they looked at my Google pictures and they even offered me a job. Time for a nice warm morning shower. Hey, wait a minute. What happened to the hot water?